I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious fish head noodle soup. First, let's gather all the necessary ingredients for our culinary adventure. You'll need a fresh fish head, your favorite noodles, and key aromatics like ginger and garlic. We'll then prepare the fish head, create a rich broth, and finally combine everything for a comforting meal. This step-by-step guide will help you create a truly satisfying dish. Properly preparing the fish head is crucial for a great soup. Begin by cleaning it meticulously under cold running water, removing any scales or impurities. Next, marinate it with a pinch of salt, a dash of pepper, and a tablespoon of rice wine to enhance the flavor and reduce any fishiness. You can then lightly pan-fry it for a few minutes on each side, or blanch it quickly to firm up the flesh before adding it to the broth. The heart of any good noodle soup is its broth. Start by sautéing sliced ginger, minced garlic, and chopped shallots in a pot until they become wonderfully fragrant. For extra depth, you can add some fish bones or a tablespoon of fish sauce. Pour in about 6 cups of water or chicken stock and let it simmer gently for at least 30 minutes. Finally, strain the broth to ensure a clear, flavorful base for your soup. Now for the exciting part, assembling your delicious fish head noodle soup. First, cook your preferred noodles, such as rice vermicelli or egg noodles, according to their package instructions. Once the noodles are ready, place them into serving bowls. Carefully add the prepared fish head to the hot, strained broth. Ladle the rich broth and fish head over the noodles. Garnish generously with fresh cilantro and sliced green onions, then serve immediately to enjoy this comforting dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.